one block guy here. It's 10:50 as the time of recording this. So yeah, I just wanted to show all these new like fire alarm, smoke alarm devices I have recently acquired in my collection. Let's just start off with the BRK here. I am not going to be testing them on this video, however, I'm just going to be showing them off. Oh, 1 second. If I can get this off of the housing. Wait 1 second. Alright, it's a BRK model SA 49198. This one is from circa 1998. When I got it out of the package. It's somewhere in my closet, but I still have it in one of the boxes. Yeah, but this one I'm gonna have to wire it up till, because it does not. This one needs like actual wirings, not battery powered. It's not battery backup. So also we have here is a system sensor classic, a spectral classic. Yeah, I recently acquired one not long ago, but haven't even got the time to basically make this video. And right here is a horn that I took out of a 4903. It's not the one that I have that I had gotten like almost 2 years ago. It's a recent one. Didn't sound well, strobe didn't work. I actually have the housing on my shelf like behind me, but this is the horn here that I took out, and yet it still sounds terrible even without the strobe. Right here we have the first alert, the micro smoke alarm. I can see I still have the box of it, but I recently acquired one in my collection. And right here we have two Kidda smoke alarms. Two Kidda model. I'm gonna see if I could get one of these off of a Kidda model 0915. This one is from circa 2000, and then we have here's the circa one from circa 2001. Same model, different years. I already can tell the difference in one of them. This one has a lower pitch than that one. And then right here we have is a BRK model 1769 ACI. This one is I'm pretty sure is a 90s model. I don't know. I'll do some more research. I do have a instruction or the manual on it, owner's manual on it for that, but it's the same thing with this alarm. This one needs to be wired up with wires instead of using batteries. Right here we have is a Demco model 5808 LST. I'm pretty sure this one is from circa 2007. I am not sure, but here's a little story about this one. I've been dying to get one of these in my collection, and a couple months ago I ended up acquiring one. But the reason why I got this one is because I used to have some at my childhood home before I moved out during ending of middle school, and when that funny virus thing occurred. Yeah, I don't want to talk about. I'm not going to say much about that, but all I want to say is that the house that we used to own, we actually had two of these. I am not sure whatever. I did not end up taking those smoke alarms, but I honestly don't know what became of those ones. But anyways, I did acquire one in my collection. The mountain bracket it's in the bin in the closet. I'm not going to be getting it. Right here we have is a LifeMaster smoke alarm. Well, it's technically it is smoke alarm, but it's also it's basically a travel smoke alarm, basically, with an escape light on it. It's right here. I'm not sure. I don't even know if this counts as a smoke alarm, because it's basically like a survival tool or something that you're basically able to carry around in like trips, or if we're going outside or something. I don't know what's its purpose, but I'll do some more research, and I will be making a video on this very soon. Right now, I just don't have the time. Right here we have is a 1960s, 50s Simplex Rivertone 4040 A1. This one's in pretty good shape. Does not have a housing, but I plan on testing it soon. And right here we also have another 4040. This one is an older one. Here, give me 1 second. Here. Also an A1, but it's an older one because and this one ended up coming with the housing. I originally got this one on eBay, and it didn't really have like a housing on it. I mean, it had a different, I'm pretty sure it had a different color one, but it ended up coming up with this. So yeah, I will be making a video on these alarms very, very soon. So yeah, thanks for watching. Block Sky over and out. Haven't said that in a while.